guys, welcome back for a bonus video. It's an AliExpress haul, and I just happened to be on camera too since I was already here. Look at this box I've got. It's full of stuff. So let me show you what's in it. So firstly, I have this little collection of what I understand to be reflective glitters. Let's open one up. Yeah, it could be. I keep getting a hint of the reflectiveness, but I can't seem to stop my twist right when it's on it. But that is very beautiful. Let me actually open one more. I want to open this one. It seems to have more in it. If I can open it. Okay. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. And I believe that it's thermal as well, which is not necessarily a selling point for me, but the reflectivity is. I wish, see, you can see it glint by. I wish I could catch it right on the reflect, but apparently I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, so yeah, these are really nice. And then I've got some of these. I'm not going to open them because I don't need to. I was misled. I was led to believe these were pots of gel, but they're not. They're just flakes, and they come with this little eyeshadow applicator to put them on. I have things like this already, so I mean, it's fine. I'll use them, but I was a little disappointed to find out it's not what it was advertised to be. I also have this little pack of drill bits. I actually do have some drill bits like this already because I ordered these first. And of course, AliExpress takes forever and a day to come, so I ended up ordering some other ones that I got sooner, but never hurts to have extras. Then I'm also really excited about this. You guys already know how I feel about metal sequins, but here we are again. So these are our zodiacs, the astrology, star signs. My birthday is coming up in January, and I'm going to need to do a birthday set, so I had to come prepared. Mine is this one. Let's see if I can shake it out for you. It's Capricorn, the snake goat. Yeah, these are really cool, and I would be happy to lend some of these to anyone who wants a birthday set of nails as well. I've got plenty, and I'm only born one of the months. I also got this pack of cuticle sticks. These are good for scraping out the edge of your cuticle with glitter or pushing them back. So good to have. I got a pack of these clamps for dual forms. And speaking of dual forms, I've got a variety. Let me see if I can hold these in a way that you'll be able to see them. Okay, yeah, so we've got this shape. This is a decent shape. I do find with dual forms, there's a learning curve, and I know a lot of people don't like them, but I do. And I've just discovered that some shapes work better than others. And this shape does seem to be a pretty decent shape. You just have to make sure that the curvature is enough, that there's enough polygel in it to have some structure. I find this shape is also really good for that. I did at first try to avoid really hard C curves because it's not my thing. However, once you file it, it can be whatever shape you want it to be, so I'm not so concerned about that now. This shape though, I have 2 packs of these now, and I kind of regret buying them because turns out this is a terrible shape. In theory, it's cute because it makes a pointed nail. However, it's so flat that you really just can't get much gel in there, and you end up having to add extra to build up a little bit of structure so that it will stay. And then also, these are a really great shape as well. They are just straight, and you can make them whatever shape you want at the end with filing. So 3 good shapes, 1 not so good. I did also get an additional Polygel brush. It's just a standard one. Little spatula on one end, brush on the other. You know what these look like. Since we're talking about Polygel, let me show you some. I've got quite a few. I did get a clear one, and then I got a whole bunch of different glitters from Lime Girl. I will tell you that the Lime Girl ones are sticky. They're a little bit more difficult to work with, but it is doable, so I wouldn't say don't buy them just because of that. Just be aware. But I want to show you the swatches, because let me tell you, they are so pretty. So we've got this one. Absolutely love it. Look at that. It's a clear with these little reflective bits in it. Got this one. It's a bit of a like a pink base, but it has glitter in it. This is not my favorite combination of glitter, but I still do like it. Also, another one with a clear base and some different colored reflective bits. Big fan. This is one that I'm really digging. It's this purpley, rosy, goldy. It's got small glitters and big glitters. I almost wish I had like a black cloth to show you these on. They're just so nice. Huge fan. In the same token, this one I feel the same way. It's gold, big glitters, small glitters. It's so pretty. I have long nails, but I'm thinking maybe I can just do an overlay when I'm not doing dual forms. Here's another one with a clear base and some glitters. Super, super cute. Clearish, kind of a pink tinted base, glitters. This one's a clear base with blue glitters. I like that a lot. And then lastly, we've got this one. It's a clear base with hollow glitters. You can never have too much hollow. You may have noticed there was a clear tube in here, but I didn't make a swatch for it because clear is clear. So to go with this, I did get some peel off base coat. I don't know how well this is gonna go, and I don't want to tear up my natural nails putting Polygel on top of them, so I thought it would be wise to get a peel off base coat to put down first in case I need to pop them off without ruining my nails. I also got this Born Pretty top coat. It is supposed to be a smudge-free top coat like the Maniology, and since Maniology is not a easy and quickly accessible option, I am trying to find alternatives that are even perhaps more affordable that I can keep in stock. Let me smell it, see if it smells smudge-free. Don't smell your nail polishes. It does smell smudge-free, so that's good. And then I did also get some top coat and some primer to go with these Polygels. They're Roslyn brand. I don't know how they'll do, but I can't imagine they would be too bad, so I figured we'd give it a shot. Base coat as well. You need all 3. I got a little thing of blooming gel. It is so tiny, but I figured we would play with it. It's not a very thick one, but that's okay. I'm a little sad that you can't bloom with regular nail polish in the same way that you can with gel, so I thought I would get this just in case. And then I did get a small assortment of these tiny gel glitters. I do have some gel polish, but I don't use gel polish as much because I have such a large selection of regular polish that I love. This is super pretty. Like, I don't think you're seeing it the way I am. My angle, it is just reflecting in the light. I really like that. That's so nice. These pictures on the sides are not helpful, but let me show them to you anyway. Oh wow, look at that. See, that is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna end up using these, of course. They are super nice. They're tiny, tiny bottles though, so gotta use it sparingly or I'm gonna run out, but I guess I can always get more. Like, that's not a difficult thing. That's super pretty as well. I love it. It's a glittery green. It almost seems like a Christmas green, which is handy, but also I feel like this would be nice during St. Patrick's Day. Let's check about what's in here. Oh, this one's got big chunks. Silver chunks. I do like it though. I'm a huge fan of silvers. I just don't use them as much as I should. And then I think this might just be black. I did need some plain black. And it is, yes. Just some plain black. You should always keep your staple colors in stock, like black and white. I don't actually have a white gel, I don't believe, but I did need more black. Before we hop into the nail art, I just wanted to show you a couple of items. I got this lotus stand for the, you know, the little magnetic press-on stands for holding while you're decorating. I've got a couple of these items, but this one's so nice. I was like, let me just get it. Definitely want to use it. And then I also got a couple of these bags. They're just zipper bags, but they are the right size and shape. What I'm gonna do with these is use it to contain these. I figure I'll put them in there like this, like so that I'll be able to just open the bag and flip through and see what's in there. Or I do have some smaller ones of these that I may be able to put in, you know, this way. But there's not an easy way to contain these containers other than loosely in larger bags, so I thought these bags may be a little bit better. And then I did also get these two giant packs of glitter. I got these colors specifically because I have these two nail polishes that I got from Kiara Sky that they are so light on glitter. I don't know if it was a defect or what the case was, but I'm gonna add some more. And these just, I so happen to be able to choose the right colors from a screen. And so I'm definitely going to be dumping some of this in there. And then we have a couple of nail art items. But firstly, I don't know why I have this. This is, maybe it came with something as a gift. I didn't order this, so that had to be. I feel like, though, these might be water decals. Yeah, because I've got this film. I will not be putting these on my nails, and I don't know a child young enough who may want them, but I have them should it ever arise, I suppose. We'll see. Then I've got these beautiful stickers. They're 4-pointed stars. They are reflective. Very excited to have these. I'll absolutely find a use for these. Butterflies. You can never have too many butterflies, and I didn't have any in this variety of shades, so I got some. And they have some deers and some cute little flowers. I also get this pack of stickers. I thought it was going to be a stamping plate. So boy was I surprised when I came in and it's stickers. I mean, that's fine. It's just a little sad that I'll only be able to get to use them once because they are so cute. I also got these. There's dragons and fish and characters. I feel like these are going to be really great come Chinese New Year. I can do something pretty nice with that. They are a bit of a rainbow, which is fine. I'll put it on maybe a neutral background, perhaps. And then I've got these cats. They're little stickers. The sheet's actually folded over. Probably gonna have to cut them down to fit it in my sticker album, but look how cute these little kitty cats are. I'm doing some cat nails. I don't know when, but I am. I love these. And then I also got some sunflowers. It's not the right season yet, but it will be. And come springtime, I want sunflower nails, so I'm gonna have some. And I did also get this stamping plate with dragons. It came to my attention when I made my dragon scale nails and that dragon egg nail, if you've seen that little video, that I don't have any dragons. So I was like, let me get a stamping plate, so when it comes time to do dragon nails again, I will have more decorations to add. And this is a variety of dragons, so I've got all kinds of styles, which I am thrilled about. I did also get this giant pack of flower water decals. I'm going to try and go through them really quickly to show them to you. They are very pretty, but there is just so many of them, and I like the writing. If you want to pause to try and read this, I'll see if I can't get it in focus. Yeah, go ahead and pause it and read that, because I don't want to do it right now. And then we'll resume. Oop. Piece of paper's come loose. That's okay. Ah, more lacy stuff. I have not mastered the use of that, but baby in a water decal would be better than a sticker or a foil. Okay, these are cute. Whatever flowers I may need, I will be prepared. Look at these. I didn't know this was in here. They're small, but I might could use those as well with the Chinese New Year thing. Yep. Those are pretty. And flowers, butterflies, a couple of birds. Those are cute. Oh, this is a pretty interesting one. I actually have a friend who I think would love this. This too, actually. I like these feathers. More butterflies. It's a good thing I have ordered more albums. And then, lastly, we have a pack of pigment powders so that I can make neons. You know, when you put the white down and then you rub the pigment on top of it to make like a neon sign or lightning or whatever. This is really great for that. I wish there were less pinks and more something else's, because I'm not going to go through that much pink. That's crazy. And there's only one blue. I would have liked maybe one of these to be more of an aqua and maybe even another green, but this is fine. Like, I'm not going to run out of these. So anyways, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any of these products and how you're liking them. Also, let me know if you have any tips on how to use Polygel on top of long natural nails without ruining said long natural nails, because I don't know what I'm doing. This is all an experiment. Remember, I am not a professional. I'm just doing stuff. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.